Hello, in this video we will show you how to correctly replace the diaphragm kits in the pulse valves. Firstly, we will remove the cover from the valve and take off the old diaphragms. Next, if we lay the new diaphragm onto the valve, you will see that the PCD of the holes in the diaphragm is slightly larger than the PCD of the bolt holes in the saddle. This is to allow the diaphragm to move, so to correctly fit the diaphragm, we must first put all the bolts through the holes followed by the diaphragm like this. We can now lower this down onto the valve body and tighten the bolts. Thanks for watching.